Get this Stripe. Everybody's used Stripe, right? We all know the inside and out of Stripe. But let's look at this Stripe startups page for this, like product, I guess, whatever that they're offering here. It is a little ambiguous, but there's a ton of stuff on this page that really digs into it, right? Start, scale, grow. Ambitious startups have grown into multi-billion-dollar business on Stripe, scaling from pre-seed to post-type incorporated company, blah, blah, blah. So it's like selling you on this idea that you should use Stripe as your processor over something else. And that's pretty solid. But all right, so we start here. I mean, it's beautiful, and there's some really cool interaction here with this scroller, how it slightly speeds up. I mean, first off, there's a lot of subtlety here. How it's speeds up. Then when you mouse over it, it goes really slower. This background animation is pretty rad. As you mouse, it tends to change a little bit. Pretty cool, right? Look at that. That's just so subtle. I mean, it doesn't have to happen, and it does. In these interactions here, build for any business type. And, I'm reading the copy because, copy is interface. If you're any type of UX professional, you understand that the copy is really important, almost above and beyond the actual visual aspect of it. But, this is all the stuff that you can get, and you can sort of kind of go left to right on this. They have these arrows that do this. This is pretty interactive and cool. And, they're hitting you solid with these little, co-branded logos and stuff here. Get started with payments, blah, blah, blah. It's like all the stuff that it can do, subscriptions, pre-built checkout, customizable payment, in-person payments. I mean, it's invoicing, payment links. It's pretty, robust product, and they're really giving you that and even showing you some of the interface. And something else with this is that the front end of this marketing side actually mimics some of the interface as well of the actual app, which is pretty solid as well. You'll see, as we're going through it, you see the same rounded corners, the same gray and lines on the boxes and stuff. And you can even begin to start to see some of the, the dashboard interactive portions of the actual app and stuff, like inside this. It's just chock full of, like, look at this. Like, it's just, that sticks there for a second as you're scrolling, Really cool. They want you to definitely notice these things, and then as you get to the bottom here, it's just a fun little animation. Then we can see the actual dashboard. They're showing it off all the way down to, this little, almost like a testimonial working the same way. We can get through these things. And then this mimics the very top animation. As I get down here, it becomes clean again, all the way to the bottom. And, if you're used to using Stripe, you'll see this sort of same approach to the interface, the icons and stuff, go all the way into the app, ready to start down at the bottom. It's corporate-y, it's appy, it's not the most, over the top, trendy, but man, is it well done and beautiful. So go spend some time on this, steal some ideas from them, and yeah, it's pretty awesome.